Critical defense training for civilians. As the world becomes more violent and unsafe, we must take matters into our own hands and do something about it. We need to protect and educate our loved ones. We at CRI Counterterrorism Training School will help you to defend against terrorism and severe crime. We offer multiple courses and services for civilians. Our training covers the following: home invasion defense, hate crime attack defense, defense around a vehicle, active shooter attack defense, terrorism attack defense, sexual attack defense, workplace violence defense, counter kidnapping and carjacking, countering street violence attacks, we offer vetted mobile training teams that provide professional and very realistic at-home sessions in the comfort of your own home. Risk and vulnerability assessments for your home. Realistic drills and exercises held at your home. In addition, we also offer corporate defense packages that include critical defense training in and around the workplace, risk and vulnerability assessments. We'll help you develop an SOP for your business, standard operating procedure. Who is this training for? Our training and services are designed for individuals, couples, families, homeowners associations, business professionals, doctors, lawyers, businesses and corporations, and all other law-abiding citizens.
Welcome back. It's a school for the elite. It's high-level self-defense, strategic training that prepares men and women for the worst-case scenario.
Over the past 23 years, CRI has trained active military and special forces units, 3-letter agencies, law enforcement and SWAT, NATO, bodyguards and executive protection, and so many more. Now it's your turn and your opportunity. Contact us to reserve today. You can scan the QR code, send us an email, or give us a call. Step into a safer tomorrow. Call 702-222-3489 or email us at CRI@CRItraining.com. Thank you for watching this video.